What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix keyboard disappeared issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all set the Samsung keyboard as your default keyboard. So to do this, open settings, scroll down and here click on general management and then click on Samsung keyboard settings. Now here go back and click on keyboard list and default, and from here click on default keyboard and then select Samsung keyboard to set the Samsung keyboard as your default keyboard. And after that restart your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will fix your keyboard disappeared issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then clear the cache memory of keyboard. So to do this, open settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now click on this filter icon and from here turn on show system apps button and then click on OK. Now here scroll down to find the Samsung keyboard option, or you can click on the search icon to search for Samsung keyboard. So click on the Samsung keyboard option and then go to its storage and then click on clear cache to clear the cache memory of Samsung keyboard. And after that the keyboard disappeared issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.